Recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook, open up Facebook. Tap your profile icon from the top left. Now if I simply scroll down and then I happen to delete a certain photo right in front of you, by tapping the three dots option and tapping on move to bin, then I tap the move option here. Then what I would have to do to recover it is very simple. From your profile page again, tap on the three dots right beside the edit profile button here. Once I tap the three dots, one of the options you'll find here is activity log. So tap on activity log. Then after you do that, just tap the recycle bin from the very top of the screen. Then as you do that, you can just select that particular photo that you might have deleted. And from the bottom you have two options to archive or restore them. Now of course, since we want to restore them, tap on restore. It will ask you for a confirmation, so you can tap the restore option to restore or recover the deleted photos and videos. This way you can recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.